Hi, I'm Hamida. I'm Khalid's mother. Khalid is 9 years old, and this is Akbar.
Hello. Hi.
Um, Khalid has, has showed tremendous, confidence after coming here, which is like a big, credit to us or even to Pooja. You know, the first thing that the biggest comment, the compliment I would say which Ms. Pooja gave was, it's a pleasure working with Khalid, and we knew we were at the right place just then and there, and of course our struggles were like we were just struggling to settle him down where he would be happy. We wanted him to be happy the most, and a smile on his face every day morning, while going to a school was what all that mattered, and which actually never happened. So the first thing, when he comes home happy now. So that's what really matters. Actually.
That's right. Well, it's like, a children's mind is like a sponge, and it's got this full capability and capacity to absorb whatever it comes experiences in the first 5 to 7 years or something. And what is most important at this time is he needs to have a confidence that whether he's on the right track, confidence that I'm getting to start learning and other things. And thereafter, once confidence comes and he knows he's on the right track, he starts observing. So that is what was Spectrum was able to give Khalid. And otherwise, he's a very, very intelligent child, and he's got, people say intelligence is not just about studies. There are 7 types of intelligence, and Spectrum was able to bring out what is his intelligence, and which can be tapped, and which can be it can be taken out in its full capability and other things. So that's what all I would say is it is the confidence which he was able to bring it out within himself, getting comfortable with a learning atmosphere, and besides it is not necessary that a child has to go step by step. There are kids who can learn things which are much more complex, much earlier, but so there are a lot of such kids who have such things. So this is again, it comes through the confidence. So
it's, I'd say, talent of Spectrum to identify and recognize our children's the capabilities. It's not like you said, very complex things are more easily, they learn more easily, whereas a very simple thing, they do take time. So, our educators here, they're more adaptable, they make the child comfortable. I think that's also one thing which really matters. So,
yeah. Besides, there is too much of information which is not required in the school's curriculum these days. So Spectrum actually tries to extract only those things which is most important in a very pictorial ways, and it is presented in a very simple form to the children, and so that he actually understands and picks out all those important information which is first required. The rest of the information, of course, it's a fact that there are too much of things which are actually not required in the school curriculum.
We learn on our own. A lot of things we learn on our own as we grow. But when it comes to academics, yes, it has to be limited. There's no point teaching about birds and snakes and all that in such an early age. So yes, we need to know what is practical actually. Addition, subtraction, how do we use it practically? So that's what is more important, and I think that's what is the most different thing about the Spectrum. So we are basically very happy with Spectrum, and I think Khalid is doing very well. And I thank all the special educators, our therapists here who are putting their hard work. Thank you very much.
Thank you.